Where's the will? I'm Ben Weaver, Illinois attorney, and today we'll be talking about the importance of keeping your original will in a safe spot. In Illinois, when someone dies, their heirs, their executor, they are required to send the original will to the county. The county holds on to the original wills after someone has died. If you can't find the original will, there's a presumption that the person who created the will no longer wanted that will to be valid and destroyed it before they died. So, if people can't find your original will, a copy doesn't count, it's your original will, then the courts, the county, the state, everyone assumes that you destroyed it on purpose, you put it in the shredder before you died, and you no longer want it valid. So, where should you keep that original will to make sure that everyone knows about it? It's a great question, and the big thing is communication. It's one thing for you to hold on to the will, but it's another thing for your loved ones to know where you kept that will after you passed away. So many times happens, people say, oh, so-and-so died, we have a copy of the will, we're not sure where the original will is, and then the house is a mess, it takes them months, year to get everything cleaned out, and eventually they find that original will, hidden, buried in a nice, safe, secure spot. If only they had known where it was at the beginning of the process, would have made things a lot easier. So make sure that you tell your loved ones where you're keeping it. It could be something as simple as just in an envelope in the filing cabinet. You could put it in a safe deposit box. Even the Secretary of State in Springfield will hold on to a will. It's an interesting program that doesn't seem like they really want to hold on to it, but if you go down to Springfield, you fill out some paperwork, you pay $15, the Secretary of State's office will hold on to that will for you. Big thing is that you make sure that everyone knows where it is so that when you do die, that they can find it easily, whether it be in that safe deposit box, make sure someone else has a key to that safe deposit box. If it's in a filing cabinet, make sure they know where that filing cabinet is. And if you get a mess of papers from a lawyer and everything just has a copy stamp on it and it wasn't signed, it's a good chance that's not the original will, that's a copy. So make sure that you have the original will. Do you have any stories about looking for that original will after a loved one died? Leave them in the comments below. I'm Ben Weaver, Illinois attorney, and I'll see you in the next video.